Hi, I'm Constance K. Nelson of Gross McGinley Law Firm. I am with the Family Law Group. Today I wanted to discuss adoptions. Adoptions can be a great experience if you have the proper counsel that's guiding you through the experience. You can have what is known as an uncontested adoption, which means that the parent who doesn't have custody of the child voluntarily agrees to have his or her parental rights terminated to the child. A contested adoption is where you have a parent who has not been involved in the child's life for the previous 6 months to when the adoption petition was filed with the courts. And in most cases, not only was that person not involved in the previous 6 months, but probably the previous several years of not being involved in their life. But there's nothing like telling a parent, I want your rights terminated to this child because you haven't been around, you've been an awful parent, you haven't provided financial support, emotional support, any type of support to this minor child, and so therefore I'm going to the court to seek your rights to be terminated to this child. That's when that parent shows up like they are father or mother of the year. They come to court contesting the adoption. You want to make sure that you go armed with proper counsel in those scenarios because there's going to be a hearing. And during that hearing, the court needs to hear, like I said, the previous 6 months to when that adoption petition was filed. How involved was that person in the minor child's life? And if you have the proper counsel, they're not only going to address the previous 6 months, they're going to go back even more than that and appropriately show the court that this is someone whose rights should be terminated with regard to that minor child because of their lack of involvement. And when I say lack of involvement, it doesn't happen to be just giving a support check each month. Anyone can give a check. It doesn't mean that you're involved in a child's life. It goes beyond that. Like I said before, it has to do with emotional support, financial support, as well as other forms of support to the minor child. So make sure you get in contact with proper counsel so that they can prepare you accordingly to go to court and present those facts to the judge who's sitting on your case, in order that you may experience the happiest day in your life. Number one, having the parental rights terminated to that person who hasn't been involved, and then the actual adoption of when that minor child can be brought into a family who will love and care for him or her the way that he or she deserves. So I would love to help you in that process. Again, my name is Constance K. Nelson, and I am with the law firm of Gross McGinley. Thank you.